Hello children, hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Children, in this module, we will do revision of chapter 4, that is energy. So let's start. When we are pushing a wall, we are not doing any work as the position of wall is not changed, that is, wall has not moved in the direction of force. So in language of science, we don't say that we have done some work. Now, what is the definition of work? Work is said to be done if on applying force on a body, the body moves or it changes its position from its place in the direction of force. Then and only we said work has done, and work is equal to force into distance, or work is said to be done by a force applied on a body if it changes its size or shape. Now, what are the factors that affecting the amount of work? The factors that affecting the amount of work, there are two factors. One is magnitude of force applied and distance moved by the body in the direction of force. Now, what is the unit of work? As we know that work is equal to force into distance, and the unit of force is Newton and unit of distance is meter. So the unit of work will be Newton meter, and this is defined as joule, and 1 kgf is equal to 9.8 Newton or in force on 1 kg. Therefore, F is equal to mg. Okay. Now the next. If a coolie stand with a box on his head, does no work as distance moved is 0. But a coolie with a box on his head and walking is doing no work as force is acting vertically downwards and direction of a motion is at right angle. Understood? The next is, what is energy? Energy is capacity of doing work, or we can say the work done on a body is changing its state is called energy, and the SI unit is joule. We define 1 joule as a body said to possess the energy of 1 joule if a force of 1 Newton moves the body by a distance of 1 meter in the direction of force. Now we will see that what is mechanical energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its state of rest or state of motion is called mechanical energy. This energy is divided into two parts: potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is energy possessed by body due to its state of rest or motion, and we denote it by PE, which is equal to mgh, where m is the mass of the body, g is the gravitational acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height. Now, what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by the body due to its motion. We retain as kinetic energy Ke half mv square, where m is the mass and v is the velocity. Now we'll see what is gravitational potential energy. When a stone or a water is raised or from the ground at a height, work is done against the force of gravity. This work is stored in the stone or a water in the form of gravitational potential energy. A stretched bow due to change in position possesses potential energy. When a straight bow is released, the arrow comes in motion and due to motion possesses the kinetic energy and hits the body on which it strikes. This is the example of both potential energy as well as kinetic energy. Now we will see that what is power. When power is the rate of doing work, that is P is equal to W by T, and the SI unit of power is joule per second. Children, now we will solve exercise question. First question is, write true or false for each statement. A coolie does no work against the force of gravity while carrying a luggage on a road. True. The energy stored in water of a dam is the kinetic energy. False. It is a stored energy, so it is a potential energy. Okay. Now, the next question is, the energy of a flying kite is a kinetic energy? Yes, it is true. Work done by a body depends on the time in which he does work? False. Power spent by a body depends on the time for it does work? Yes, it is true. Now we will see fill in the blanks. Work is said to be done by a force only when the body moves. Now B number, work done is equal to force into distance moved in direction of force. Now C number, the energy of a body is its capacity to do work. Yes, do work. Now the SI unit of energy is, we all know, it is joule. Now next question, the potential energy of a body is due to its dash and kinetic energy of body is due to dash. Yes, it is due to the rest or position, or due to a kinetic energy possessed due to state of motion. Now gravitational potential energy U is equal to mass into force of gravity on unit mass into height. Now kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, v or you can say speed. Now power is equal to work done by time taken. The SI unit of power is watt, and 1 HP horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Now we will see matching. Here a stone at a height contain potential energy. Good. A moving wall, kinetic energy, the unit of is joule, power, work done in 1 second, and watt, power. Now we'll see correct alternative answer. The SI unit of work is joule. Very good. No work is done by a force if the body does not move. For work to be done, body have to be moved. Without any movement, no work will happen. Now see number 2, coolies A and B do some work in time 1 minute and 2 minutes respectively. The power spent is, yes, is more by the coolie A than by a coolie B. Now the next question is 1 horsepower is equal to, yes, 746 watt. When a boy doubles his speed, his kinetic energy becomes what? 4 times, because we know kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. If speed becomes double, so its kinetic energy will also doubles 4 times. Now a boy lifts a luggage from a height 2 meter to 4 meter. The potential energy will become what? Double, because height is here double, so the potential energy is also be double. So children, this is all for today's video. Next video we will discuss with question answer. Thank you children. Take care.